Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll show how we can take or give access of our YouTube channel. So as a YouTube SEO specialist, we need to take the access of our targeted client YouTube channel for optimize their tags, description, also headlines. So in this video, we'll show how we can easily take or give an access of any kind of YouTube channel. So let's begin to the main tutorial. For start the project, first I need to go a browser. Just here you will sign a Gmail. Okay, then I just going to my YouTube channel. That's not a very critical thing, it's very simple. Just see what's going, and here will the YouTube channel interface. Okay, then right side of the column you can see the profile image. Okay, then click here and just click the YouTube studio section. You need to click the YouTube studio section. Okay, then here you can see the analytics of your YouTube channel. uh, was the viewers amount last 28 days, watch time. Also you can see all of the information, analytics scale information of your channel. Okay, so I will make another video for this kind of topics. Today's I am going to here you need to click the settings option. Okay, just wait, and here you can see uh, a permission section. Just need to click here, and there you can see the two option: keep managing permission in your brand account or move permission to YouTube Studio. Okay, so for giving or taking the access, we need to go to the manage permission option. Just click here, and here we need to manage permission. Okay, as my Gmail is have two-factor authentication on, that's why I need to verify by giving my password or anything for sure that I am doing this my own, not another body. Okay, so I am just verifying it another way, by another way. Getting a verification code is my another Gmail that I used as a recovery Gmail on my email. Okay, I'm just giving the code. Just wait, and I am okay. Here the code I got it 851837. Okay, let's click the next button. Also, I need to another two-factor authentication. Yes, it's me. Okay, got it. And need to the code 22. Okay, all is done. The interface will come. I don't update the password, so that's why I clicking the continue button. Okay, then I need to just another turn manage permission, and here you can see your ID as a primary owner of your account YouTube channel. Okay, for giving the access or taking the access, you need to click the invite new user logo of your interface right side of the corner. Okay, just click here, and here for giving or taking the access, you need to enter or submit their name or email address. Okay, just I am giving my Gmail address. So there, that is my Gmail address. I am selecting it, and just you need to choose a role. So here you want to the permission as a owner or manager. So if you want to hire someone for optimizing your YouTube channel, so you can just give him the manager access, so he can done it everything from your side. Okay, so for secure your YouTube channel, you must keep in mind that you don't give the owner access, you just give the manager access. Okay, yeah. click the manager option and just here invite. There you can see in this Gmail your YouTube channel manager access is gone. Okay, so I am going to my this Gmail for showing that the invitation is come or not. So that's why I am going to the Gmail. Just wait. Here you can see Shajib invited you to manage a YouTube channel. Okay, this mail you just to click here and you need to just accept the invitation. Try another accept, and here all the procedure is done. You can now manage or giving this. So if I check that I am going to in my Gmail that I give permission so you can say. So I'm going to in my Gmail YouTube channel, and here if I want to see that the YouTube channel I got the permission or not. So here I need to click the right column of the profile, and if I view your channel, so you can see the account is on my under. Okay, that's the full tutorial of the giving or taking YouTube channel access. So if this video helps you, then just subscribe my channel and inspire me. And if you have any kind of question on your mind about this tutorial or anything like that you want to learn, just comment to me. I will make the tutorial for your demand. Okay, so be safe. Thank you so much.